Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Are you kidding me? I didn't do anything wrong!
Put your arms behind your back. You're gonna get sprayed right now. You will get sprayed. Pepper spray. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. We're done. We're done. Nope. Stop.
Okay, hold on.
Stop.
Wait,
No,
Stop. I have one female detained.
Stop.
Mom, don't.
No. Now you're taking me to jail for no reason.
Stop.
She's under arrest.
Today we will be talking about Karens who felt they were above the law, starting with our first case that took place on the 13th of January, 2024. Officers pulled over a car, not knowing what awaited them as they approached the vehicle.
Are you kidding?
Stop it.
Oh my
Stop
God!
resisting.
What the resistance?
Stop resisting.
Holy can't wait to take you to court. I didn't do anything wrong.
Put your arms behind your back.
Everything seemed normal at first, as she was so cooperative in the beginning, making it look like this was going to be one of those simple traffic stops that ends quickly, until she suddenly said something that changed the entire course of the investigation.
Patrolman on Seaside Police. The reason I stopped you is you failed to come to complete stop on Webster Avenue on Central there.
Yeah, gotcha.
Where are you headed?
Back home to Tom's River.
Tom's River?
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah.
Where were you doing here?
I was visiting friends for a birthday party.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to them.
Yeah.
You got insurance in here too? Behind you?
It should all be in there, yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's all in there, but...
The officer never asked if she was drunk, but she brought it up herself, which only means she actually was. The officer then went on to run a check on her information, after confirming what he needed, returned to perform a sobriety test. That was when the real drama began.
I'm not drunk. I didn't have any, yeah, I mean, I hear you trying to do a job, but I'm a local and, yeah.
No worries.
Yeah, it's all good. I mean, obviously.
All right, you can take that.
Thanks.
I'll be right with you, all right?
Sure.
Simply refusing a sobriety test is an indirect way of saying she wanted things to be done the hard way. Normally, if she had taken the test and she turned out positive, she would have gotten a ticket or maybe a DUI process, but at least things would move in a standard direction.
Alrighty. So, listen, did you have anything to drink?
No.
You did not?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
Listen, would you mind step out of the vehicle and perform a series of tests just to make sure that you're not intoxicated?
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Okay, listen.
Yeah.
If you don't, it's better that you do.
Okay, well...
She had told the officers earlier that she wasn't drunk, yet here she was struggling to even open her own car door. This alone tells us the level to which she was intoxicated.
Well, all right, hold on
so
one second.
listen.
Let me just call my friend. This is ridiculous.
So, essentially, if you don't provide the field sobriety test,
yeah, I'll provide it, but you just gotta wait. Why is this not opening?
She started reaching for something inside the car, and the officers, thinking about their safety, didn't know what she wanted to bring out. In situations like that, hesitation can be dangerous, so they had to detain her immediately before things escalated. But instead of cooperating, she gave them a fight.
Yeah.
what are you reaching for? You mind stepping out? Come on.
Come on, what are you doing?
Stop reaching.
All right, step out of the vehicle.
Ma'am.
Excuse me. Don't touch me.
Step out of the
Don't
vehicle.
touch me.
Hey, you will be arrested.
What made this case interesting was how easily things could have turned out. If only she agreed to do the sobriety test, she would likely have been given a ticket or gone through the regular process and still gotten to sleep at home. She succeeded in adding multiple charges to herself, making her situation worse by the minute. The officers were patient with her, even when she wasn't helping herself. They tried to explain the consequences of refusing the test, but she insisted she wasn't going to cooperate. Refusing a sobriety test doesn't make the issue disappear. It only turns a simple case into a more serious one. She failed to understand that the officers were trying to give her the easiest way out, because cooperating would have kept everything calm. Nobody is above the law, irrespective of who you are, but the Karen in our next case felt that being a sheriff's daughter makes her above the law.
We're done. We're done. Nope. Stop.
Okay, hold on.
Stop.
Wait,
No,
Stop. I have one female detained.
Stop.
Mom, don't.
No. Now you're taking me to jail for no reason.
Stop. She's under arrest.
On the 19th of November, 2022, officers pulled over a speeder who had driven far above the limit. And when she finally stopped, the officers met her, completely unaware of the drama that was about to unfold.
I need your license. I'm not doing this game. Why am I smelling alcohol emanating from your breath? I need your license, registration, and insurance. You have one more chance, or I'm going to take you to jail, okay?
Hold on a second. Take me to jail. Mom, he wasn't in following me the whole time and loving, and now he's gonna follow me?
That's not how this works. All right, we're done.
The officer simply asked for her license, which is the normal and standard thing during a traffic stop, but instead of handing it over, she was out to prove she knew the law. She went on to say that the officer could take her to jail, as if that was the easiest option. But this was what she said that even cracked the whole situation.
We're done. Nope. Stop.
Okay, hold on.
Stop.
Wait,
No. Stop.
Wait.
Stop.
My
Stop.
dad is
Stay
a cop.
over there.
You're not gonna. Wait. Okay.
Come over here. I am trying to talk to you.
Okay,
You do not want to
Veronica,
listen to me.
enough.
You do not want to listen to me. You don't want to do anything.
Just tell me, like, when did you?
I clocked her over.
Her dad being a cop doesn't mean she can't be arrested, or that gives her some kind of leverage to break the law. The law doesn't work that way because everyone is accountable regardless of who their parents are. What made the whole situation even more complicated was when her mom showed up to find out what was going on.
285 past Brantley.
When? I haven't even been past
Stop.
Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
You're lying because I haven't been at Brantley.
She hasn't been at Brantley.
I haven't been at Brantley.
Instead of calming her daughter down or asking for the full details before reacting, the mother instantly went into defense mode, supporting her daughter without understanding the full story. I'm not saying parents shouldn't support their children, but sometimes calming them first and gathering the facts helps avoid unnecessary trouble. Then the officer gave her the full details.
Stop yelling.
I
Stop.
haven't been at Brantley.
I know. Stop.
On Brantley Road.
No, I
On
haven't.
285.
No,
She
I
hasn't.
passed you.
No, I
I
haven't.
passed you.
No,
A
I
black
haven't.
Chevy Silverado doing 93.
No, I haven't.
So where are you coming from?
I'm telling you.
Where are you coming from then?
Okay, I've come from my boyfriend's
Which is where?
friend's house.
Which is where?
It was off of Thomason.
Off of Thomason. So you have to
Yes,
pass
sir.
Brantley Road to get to Thomason to get here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's
Okay.
what I'm saying. I passed you at Brantley Road, clocking you at 92.
Okay, so
I
question.
I am traveling 100 miles an hour trying to catch up to you.
No.
And you kept driving through Loving, black Chevy Silverado.
You're lying.
I'm not lying. I don't
Okay,
need to
hush.
lie about that.
Mom,
And now I'm smelling alcohol coming from your breath, and you have
Text me.
kids in your car.
We could see how surprised the mom was after hearing the whole details. For the daughter, she just successfully added an extra DUI charge. What they both did next only helped to complicate the issue even further.
No,
Okay,
no, I'm
yes
not-
you are.
I'm
You
not-
said take you to
Okay,
jail.
no,
So I'm obliging you.
Don't
I'm
be
trying.
like that.
Okay, I'm not
All
trying
you
to be
have
like
to do
that.
is just give him your
Okay,
license
that's
and
fine.
the registration.
I will.
Don't argue. Why are you
I'm not arguing because
You
you're
are
saying that I
arguing.
came from Brantley.
Okay.
Not Brantley Lake.
Okay.
Okay? Not Brantley Lake. Brantley Road, that is on 285 right here.
Okay.
Okay, pass.
Where did you put your lights
Where did
at?
you put your lights at? Here.
I
Right
am not
here.
going to run
Right
license
here.
siren. Yes, right here.
Okay, so
Right
why
here.
have you been following me this long and you haven't put
What do
your
you
license?
mean? I'm not going to put everyone in danger by running the lights and sirens 100 miles an hour. Come on over.
Whether the lights came on earlier or later still didn't change the fact that she was driving above the speed limit and was intoxicated. The real problem was her refusal to comply. The mother, who was supposed to be the one to calm her daughter down, joined her in arguing, which only worsened the entire interaction. Then came another statement from the daughter.
Get in the vehicle.
Okay, I'm trying to talk.
Okay, I'm going to talk to her.
Listen,
Get in the vehicle.
My dad is a sheriff. My
Your
dad
dad's the sheriff. Your dad's Mark Cage.
and I'm
Get
listening.
in the vehicle
I'm talking
right now.
to you.
Just turn around.
Get in
Mom,
the vehicle.
this is Listen to me.
Stop.
Okay, talk to me. Talk to me.
I will
because-
talk to you.
Her dad, being a sheriff, doesn't stop the officer from arresting her or give her leverage to argue with an officer. Since her dad was a sheriff, as she claimed, it was a more reason why she ought to lead by example. What she did next showed she wasn't ready to take responsibility at all.
Please, please.
I'm not
Stop
arguing.
down. Stop.
I'm not arguing with you because I'm
You are
crying.
arguing with me.
No. Listen to me.
I
I'm
told you you're
crying
driving
because
92.
I have kids that are in my vehicle.
Okay.
Stop.
So why are you traveling so fast then?
I wouldn't do that to
Why
my-
are you driving so fast?
I have
And why are you intoxicated right now?
Listen to me. I have children
So
that have no dad.
Okay.
Period.
That's fine.
Okay.
Brittany.
I'll be honest with you. I've had a beer
Okay.
since I've had those kids.
Okay.
And we stopped.
I understand.
I'm not traveling. I wasn't trying to avoid you.
I never said you were.
Okay.
All the explanations and excuses wouldn't even be necessary if she had simply handed over her license in the first place. The officer had no option left but to arrest her because the situation had escalated beyond what a simple warning or ticket could fix.